If your bets are crashing faster than a paper plane, you're missing out on the Aviator game. First, place your bet before the plane takes off. Pick your stake, choose from presets like R5 or R100, or enter a custom amount. Feeling adventurous? Place 2 bets at once. Hit the bet button to lock it in. As the plane ascends, watch the multiplier climb. Your mission? Decide when to cash out. Click the cash out button at the right moment to score your winnings. But beware, if the plane crashes before you cash out, you lose your bet. Once you cash out, your winnings are credited automatically. Miss the mark? Wait for the next round and try again. Timing is everything. Remember, the crash point is random, so there's no surefire strategy. Manage your bankroll, set limits, and understand the game mechanics. Bonus tip: use features like auto cash out and autoplay to up your game. Keep an eye on round history and join in-game chats for tips from other players. Now, you're ready to conquer the Aviator game.